I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark up a screenshot on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to take a screenshot by hitting the lock button and the volume up button at the same time. And before this little pop-up goes away, make sure to tap on that image on the bottom left. Now you're presented with options to either crop or mark up the photo, and your markup options are on the bottom. You have a few different markers to choose from, an eraser if you'd like to make mistakes, or at least fix your mistakes. You can choose whichever marker that you'd like to use, and then you can draw all over the screenshot. Now, if you don't like what you did, you can hit this back button right there. If you said, oh wait, I did want to keep that, you can click the forward button right there. Once you're ready, you can click done, or you can share that with whomever you like, and then you can also click the delete button if you share it and you don't want to keep it on your phone. You can click delete screenshot, and then you're all set. You won't have to delete from your photos later on.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.